In today's video, I am going to teach you how to adjust your leverage on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Secure Client area. Once you are inside your account dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. In the menu there, click on Trading Accounts. This will open the section where all of your available trading accounts are listed. Next, find the specific trading account that you want to update. Take a moment to make sure you have selected the correct account before moving forward. Once you have found it, click on the Manage option or the Account Settings option for that account. The exact label may vary slightly depending on the account view, but it will lead you to the account management settings. After that, look for the option called Change Leverage and select it. This will take you to the leverage settings for that trading account. You will now see the leverage choices that are available to you. Review the list carefully and choose the leverage level you want to use for the account. Once you have made your selection, review the leverage level one more time to confirm that it is the correct choice. This is important because leverage affects your trading exposure, so you should always make sure the setting matches your preference before you continue. When you are ready, click Submit or Confirm to save the change. Your request will then be sent for processing. Give it a moment to complete. In most cases, this should only take a short time, but processing time can vary depending on the platform and account status. After the request has been processed, go back to your trading account details. Check the account information and verify that the new leverage is now displayed. This final check helps confirm that the update was successful and that your account is now using the leverage level you selected. If the updated leverage appears in your account details, then the change has been completed. You have successfully adjusted the leverage for your Pepperstone trading account. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.